Yes. What's going on, guys? This is Big Ben. Today we are going to talk about, will the stock market crash again, or will we see another rally? So let's talk about that, okay? And also we're going to talk about how I was able to make 950, I believe, $8 with one trade. So we'll talk about that later. But let's talk about the stock market for a second, okay, guys? Right now we are living in tough times, and we have a lot of stuff going on in the background, and the market, we all know the market sold off in February, and basically it dropped a lot, all right? But we had this nice recovery. Now, if you have been following me, you know that last year I talked about how the market was probably going to have a fake recession, okay? And what basically I meant was, the market, you will see the market have a fake crash and basically go right back up. Okay, I talked about that last year, and that's what it's looking like, guys. It's looking like this recovery right now, because right now the Nasdaq is pretty much 90% from its highs, right? So that recovery, okay, most likely we even if we pull back right here, because right now I know a lot of people are looking at the market and looking at the situation, looking at what's going on around the world, and they saying, okay, the market has to crash. I'm not one of those traders or investors or those people. I'm not one of those guys. Okay, I don't really care. Okay, what's going on? I don't care about the fundamentals. I don't care about the economy. When I mean I don't care, I'm not saying I don't care about the situation and a lot of people losing jobs. I'm not talking about that. I'm just talking about, I don't. If I'm going to risk my money on something, I'm not looking at what's going on. I'm looking at the technicals. Okay, the chart is telling me that the market pretty much is almost back to all-time highs again. Okay, so like I said, last year I talked about this. Okay, I talked about how we might have a crash in 2020, but it's going to be a fake crash, and we're going to drive, the market's going to basically buy the market. The buy is going to buy the market back up, and we're going to hit new highs. Okay, I talked about that before, and the reason why I talked about that, because everybody was calling for this 2020 crash, and you have to understand that if everybody knows about it, then there's a strong possibility that uh, you know even if we do have it, we're gonna go right back up just to wipe out a lot of people, right? That's going short. Now, what I'm looking at right here, guys, is a possibility of the market selling off. Okay, probably going lower. Okay, maybe even to here. This is a nice support level. Okay, so even if the market drops, okay, drops to here, okay, that doesn't mean anything. What this means is, I believe this could be a fake out. Okay, it's going to get a lot of people short, and what's going to happen is probably we're going to bounce somewhere around this area, and then go right back up to test the highs again. The reason why I'm thinking this, because we went up too high. Okay, we basically right there, guys. We were right there at the all-time highs again. So if we went up this high, this is my opinion. Okay, we don't have to go back to the high, but if we went up this high, okay, yes, we have this situation right here, some resistance right here. So we definitely seeing this resistance right here in play right now. Okay, but okay, I believe since we went up this high, okay, if we pull back, we can definitely go right back. Okay, find support somewhere, go right back up to the highs. Okay, now for a trader like me, trust me, guys. For a trader, I'm a trader. I love volatility, and when we get volatility, guys, that means that the market is, basically going to give us bigger swings, and that equals to bigger profits. Okay, so trust me, I'm the number one guy that wants the market to go down. Okay, not because I want to see people lose money. It's because the volatility, it brings a lot of volatility, for traders, so we can actually make more money. Now, that being said, guys, even though I would like to see the market go down, I don't think it's going to go down. Okay, and I believe if we do continue to go down like here, okay, we're going to find a couple of things will happen. We can find support right here, all right, somewhere around here, or we can find support around here, okay, and then go right back up. So this is going to be, in my opinion, it's not going to be an easy move where you can predict it. Okay, I really believe they're going to play around with the longs, they're going to play around with the shorts, but eventually they're probably going to make another new high. Now, when we make that new high, if we do decide to make a new high, I don't think it's going to go up that much. It's probably going to go up to 10,000, wiggle a little bit, and we're going to probably have another crash, because eventually we have to have crash. Okay, so we can't continue to go up and up and up forever. Okay, eventually we're going to have that major correction. All right, but in the meantime, okay, this is what I'm looking at. I believe these guys have all the money, because listen to these guys, they have all the money. Okay, they are pumping money up. So right now, what you're looking at, yes, it's I understand that a lot of people, I mean, if you read this article that came out today, Powell is saying that he said Fed survey set for release on Thursday will show that almost 40% of people who were working in February and were members of households making less than 40,000, guys, less than 40,000, okay, a year, had lost their jobs in March. Yes, I know. We all know that the economy is bad, guys. We all know that. But you have to understand the game that these guys are playing. They saying, yo, we don't care if the market is bad. We're going to throw this money. We're going to keep on pumping the market regardless. Now, if you know anything about 2008, guys, 2008, when we had that crash, okay, go look at the movie The Big Short. It was this guy. He realized what was going on behind the scenes. He realized a lot of stuff was just not adding up, okay, in the real estate industry. And he knew that the market was going to crash. But guess what, guys? He was 2 years, I believe it's 2 years early, okay? He was 2 years early. And this is what I believe is going on right now, okay? A lot of people want to go short right now, but I believe they are probably a couple of years early right now, okay? We can go up another year. You can go up for another year or two, okay, before we see that major correction. Now, just because we can go up for another year or two, it doesn't mean that we're going to just skyrocket. Yeah, I don't think, even if we do go up for another year or two, I don't think it's going to be strong moves. I think it's going to be, up move, pull back, up move. It's not going to be like very strong, but eventually we're going to crack, okay? But this move right here could be, another 2 years before we see that major correction, okay? Because you have to understand the fundamentals, okay, a lot of times doesn't show up on the chart, okay, right away. Okay, the fundamentals usually lag a lot of times. So that means that, we might be early when it comes to shorting the market, right? We might be a couple of years early. So, me personally, I'm loving the volatility, okay? I love when the market, goes down, but at the same time, it is what it is. I'm not one of those traders that's going to short the market just because, a lot of people are unemployed right now, okay? And, it is what it is. So that's why it's very good to learn how to read the charts, okay? Learn how to read the charts. When you learn how to read the charts, you know what to look for. Stop guessing, because a lot of traders out here, they are guessing and they're losing a lot of money, okay? So that's how I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at the stock market as a potential buy. I believe we probably could sell off a lot, maybe 50% of this move right here, maybe 50% of this move, okay? And then most likely we're going to find some type of support and bounce right back up, okay? It's going to trap a lot of shorters. It is what it is. But I'm waiting for this sell off, okay? I'm waiting for this. But, we will see. Now let's go into my trade I took today. So let's get into that. Basically, I took one trade. The market was selling off nicely today, guys. It's actually still selling off right now. Okay. So anyway, this is why you have to learn how to, just build a skill. Okay. I know most of you guys that's watching this video right now, you love the market. So if you love the markets that much, guess what? How come you guys are not trying to learn how to take advantage of these micro turns, right? These micro swings, okay? These guys, the market doesn't go straight up. It doesn't go straight down, okay? We have these swings in the market. As a day trader, as a swing trader, you can take advantage of these swings. That's what I'm doing every single day, okay? Now, today is, it was just, the market was just moving real good in the morning. We opened up around, let me see, around here. Okay, we opened up right here. We hit support. Okay, we had support around here. Okay, we hit support. We bounced off that support right here. This support right here. We bounced off that support level. We basically went up. Okay, I was looking for some longs. We had a, if you notice right here, the market was trapping some sellers. We popped back up. I got long right here. Boom, got out. And, that was the only trade I took. I could have took a couple more trades, but I was pretty much done for the day. Honestly, I had a lot of other stuff to do, but I was done for the day. But that was a nice little trade for me. And the market is pretty much looks like it's trying to go down. I mean, I see multiple trades right now, in here. But overall, most likely we're going to probably make new lows. And this might be a start of a new trend to the downside. Okay. So the volatility, we'll see if it's back or not. But so far today, it's looking good. Right. If you guys want to learn how I'm able to do this full time from home, Monday to Friday, basically go to that first link. I do have a training that will train you and show you exactly my strategies and how I'm able to do this from home. And also, guys, hit the like button. And hit those. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. And that's about it, guys. Make sure you always, take care of yourself, gain that knowledge. Make sure you always improve, and make sure you guys have a great day. All right. Talk to you guys later, and have a great day.